Hi there, welcome back, or welcome if it's your first time. This is Lori, and we are here to do some crafting today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am really glad that you're here. Today we're going to finish off the hope sign. You might remember that we had outlined our letters in glue with the glue gun, and then we poured paint over that, and now we're going to peel the letters. Okay, so here we are back with our hope picture. And you can see some of the lumps, and there I started picking at it. I was just going to record it and then voice record over it, but I thought it might be fun to catch my reactions as I'm doing this. So anyway, we're just going to set this down here. And I have my handy dandy craft knife. And I have my, I don't know, I guess it's a paint scraper or something, or some kind of a scraper. We'll try to, and then I have a pair of tweezers. So we're going to make a go of it, trying to get this thing up. And I started here on the H, and you can see it's coming up fairly good along where I cut it. And look at that horrible, horrible brown under there. But it's working. It's working. So I'm going to cut it out. And then, like at this part, I'll probably will speed through, but we'll see. Maybe there'll be something interesting that pops up. I'll leave it recording anyway. Look at that. It's working. Oh my gosh. It's working. in the end, it took some trimming and some scraping, and I had to go in and cut little bits and pieces away that hadn't trimmed off properly. And then, of course, there's the horrible, horrible colors and lumps of stuff underneath. I don't know, it adds character, but really, that just can't go in the center of a wreath, can it? Anyway, so I did paint it. I really did. I painted it. First, I did a couple of coats of white, and that looked pretty good, I guess. It really does stand out, but wasn't quite what I was looking for, so I went with a light pink tied into some of the little bits of pink there. Anyway, I'm so happy that you stopped by. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and leave a comment if you could. That would be fantastic. I sure would love to hear from somebody. Always looking for new subscribers. Hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.